Hello viewers, I welcome you to my channel. This is Doc Mountain. In this video, I'm going to show you how you have to connect your W coin to your Trust wallet. So what you do is, first of all, you open Trust wallet. If you haven't installed it yet, do so. Set it up, or you can start from W coin on Telegram. Okay, you will actually be walked through. But if you have installed it already, what you need to do is you open it. Okay, once you're logged in, what you need to do is you tap on top there in that bar where there is a word search. Tap there, then punch in TAN. Okay, so what we are looking for is that one which is on top. If you copy a wrong address, it won't actually go through. There's a part which has to be highlighted, it won't get highlighted. And at some point you may actually be tempted to go by WTAN, the one which is there. Now just go by the one which is on top, then click receive. When you click receive, you will see where it reads copy. You will need to copy that, then you go back to Telegram. So let me just copy that, and then let's now head back to Telegram. Okay, so here is W coin. Click play so that you open W coin. All right, so once you are in, what you do is you click tasks, then you click the first task, reading connect Trust wallet. Then you paste that address you copied from Trust wallet. Once you paste it in, you see at the bottom there, the connect wallet will get highlighted, the one which is in the box. Then hit there. It's loading, right? It's loading. Okay, check out. Once it's it's through, you will be shown that 20,000 coins have been given to you. Okay, so you can close that one, and you see now it's saying connected. We can roll back, then check on other tasks. Then they're saying follow Trust wallet on X. Click there, then you hit follow. You'll be taken to Twitter. So what you do is you click follow. You can also hit the bell so that you turn on all the posts. Let's roll back. Then we can now click verify. Okay, so we'll check later. Let's click follow W coin on X. Click there, then, and I actually followed W coin on X some time back. Let's roll back. We can actually verify. Okay, we'll verify this later. Then you click retweet the post. Retweet the post, you'll be taken to X. Click like, then click the repost icon, then repost. Okay, then you get back to W coin on Telegram, then you hit verify. So all the tasks have actually been done. So now they're saying 1 has been done out of 5. Okay, let's verify them all. We need to get back here sometime later. Seems like we need to give it some time. So that's how you have to go about these tasks. As simple as that. After doing all the tasks successfully, this is what you're gonna say. Congratulations, your campaign reward will be delivered soon. As simple as that. Head on to Telegram, open Trust wallet, and do what I just did.